Hey kids, let's play a fun game Guess the Animal. I will show you a picture of an animal. Your job is to say its name. Let's start. It's a pet at home. It loves to bark. It wags its tail when it's happy. Can you guess what it is? It's a dog. It says meow. It loves to chase mice. It is soft and loves to play. Can you guess what it is? It's a cat. It lives on a farm. It gives us milk. It is big and gentle. Now, what it is? It's a cow. It is very, very big. It has a long trunk. It lives in the jungle. Can you guess what it is? It's an elephant. It lives on a farm. It has bright feathers. It wakes us up in the morning. Now, guess what it is? It's a rooster. It is the king of the jungle. It roars very loudly. It is very strong and brave. What it is? It's a lion. It is big and brown. It loves honey and fish. It sleeps a lot in the winter. What it is? It's a bear. It runs very fast. We can ride on it. It lives in a stubble. Can you guess what it is? It's a horse. It has two small horns. It loves to eat green leaves and grass. What it is? It's a goat. It is white and fluffy. It gives us wool for warm clothes in winter. Now guess what it is? It's a sheep. It swims in the pond. It has a flat beak. It loves water. Now guess what it is? It's a duck. It has horns called antlers. It runs fast in the forest and it is gentle. Can you guess what it is? It's a deer. It hops quickly. It has long ears. It likes carrots. What it is? It's a rabbit. This animal carries heavy things. It lives in farms and villages. What it is? It's a donkey. It has black stripes and orange fur. It roars very loudly. It lives in the jungle. Can you guess what it is? It's a tiger. This animal swings in trees. It eats bananas. It makes funny chattering sounds. What it is? It's monkey. This animal has a long neck. It eats leaves high up in trees. Now guess what it is? Any ideas? Yes, it's a giraffe. It has black and white stripes. It looks like a horse. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's a zebra. It is white and swims on a lake. It has a long neck. Now can you guess what it is? Yes, it's a swan. This animal hops very high. It carries its baby in a pouch. Now can you guess what it is? It's a kangaroo. It swims on ice but cannot fly. It's black and white. Now can you guess what it is? Quickly. Yes, you are right. It's a penguin. It is green and jumps. It lives near ponds. Now quickly guess what it is? Great job. It's a frog. It is black and white. It eats bamboo. It loves to cuddle. What it is? Hurry up. Yes, it's a panda. It has a long mouth with so many teeth. It lives in water. Now can you guess what it is? It's an alligator. It comes out at night. It has big round eyes. Now can you guess what it is? Great job. It's an owl. Now don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to your favorite channel Kids FunToon. See you next time with more fun learning videos. Bye.